In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create mapping between our Tharston and Infigo users. So before we begin, a note on terminology. An Infigo department manages a grouped set of users, such as those representing one particular company. An Infigo customer is an individual user of a particular storefront. Tharston's terminology is slightly different, with a Tharston customer relating to a group of users, such as those representing one company. So before assigning anything to an actual department, I'm just going to remind you first of a setting which is within the Tharston Connect settings. So if I go to the Connect plugins page, configure my Tharston plugin, and you'll see that we have this setting here, which is the storefront customer code. Now the storefront customer code will serve as the customer code of the default Tharston customer to use for creating estimates and sending orders. However, it is possible to assign a customer code at a department level, which we'll discuss here. And this allows more granular control over which Infigo orders turn into Tharston orders. The storefront customer code, like we see here, should be considered as a fallback option in case a customer does not have a code assigned to them. It's not just orders and quotes. Every interaction with Tharston will be done on behalf of the mapped customer. So for example, if you request a price, that price will be returned for the mapped customer, including any customer uplifts configured within Tharston. So with that out of the way, we'll now navigate to the departments area. And you'll notice once again that we have these connect link buttons associated with each of our departments. Now there are other tutorials available if you want to learn how to create and configure departments themselves. For now, I'm just going to work with one of my pre-created departments and go to connect link. Now this is much simpler to link together than that of a product link, because we're not actually dragging through customer information from Tharston itself. So we can't pre-populate the list like we did for the products. So all you would need to do in this case is go into your Tharston system and look for the customer code, and then that customer code would be entered here. Once that's specified, click on Save Connect External ID, and then the window will close. A user must be present within this department for any changes to actually be made of that connect link. So, by clicking on the plus icon next to the department, you need to ensure that one or more users are selected to be part of this department, and then click on Save Changes. A user can only be placed in one department. This means when a user sitting within this department logs in, estimates requested and orders raised are done so with this new customer code.